trembled with the vibration, this transcendental vibration. Chant, you have no light. This is light. Harinam is light. Krishna Nam is light. Mahaprabhu is giving you light. Prabhupada is giving you light. Well, Western world was dying just to end their suffering, taking very dreadful drugs, LSD, marijuana, dying, committing suicide. Prabhupada brought this light. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Nam bhoja nam chinto, nam karo saro. Nam bhoja nam chinto, nam karo saro. Ananta Krishna Rama, Mahima Oparo. Satobhar Suvarna go, Oti Kanya Dana. Satobhar Suvarna go, Oti Kanya Dana. Tathapina Hoy Krishna, Namera Samana. Tathapina Hoy Krishna, Namera Samana. Jai Namo Sei Krishna, Bhaja Nishtha Kari. Namero sohito ache aponi Sri Hari. Namero sohito सुनो रे भाई नाम संकीर्तन सुनो रे भाई नाम संकीर्तन जे नाम श्रवण हो पाप विमोचन जे नाम स्मरण हो पाप विमोचन कृष्ण नाम हरि नाम बड़ई मधुर कृष्ण नाम हरि नाम बड़ई भजे कृष्ण से बड़ चतुर ब्रह्मादि देव जारो ध्यान नहीं पाए ब्रह्मा से धनी वंचित हले কি হবে উপায় সে বঞ্চিত হলে কি হবে উপায় সে ধনী বঞ্চিত হলে কি হবে উপায় সে हिरण्यकशिपुर उदर विदारण प्रह्लादे करिल रक्षा देव नारायण बलिरे चलिते प्रभु हईल वामन बलिरे चलिते प्रभु हईल वामन द्रौपदीर लज्जा हरि कैल निवारण भक्तो वांछा पूर्ण करे नंदेर नंदन भक्तो वांछा पूर्ण करे नंदेर नंदन मथुरारो वंशधंस लंकारो रावण मथुरा बकासुर बोध आदि कालिय दमन बकासुर बोध आदि कालिय दमन नरोत्तम कहे नाम संकीर्तन हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ananda Leelamaya Vigrahaya Hemavadivyo Savisundarayo Tasmai Mahaprema Rasapradayo Sri Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Namaste Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Namaste Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Namaste Chaitanya Chandrayo Namo Upasthita Bhakta Sajjan Vrinda Matru Vrinda Sankirtana पदयात्री वृंद आपमान को trouble or pain. So those relations also give you all trouble and pain. They are not real friends. ସେମାନେ ପ୍ରକୃତ ବନ୍ଧୁ ନୁହନ୍ତି। ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ ସର୍ତ୍ତ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ ସମ୍ବଳିତ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥ ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ ସ୍ୱାର୍ଥରେ ଆଞ୍ଚ ଆସିଲେ ବନ୍ଧୁତା କଟିଯାଏ ଗୋଟିଏ ମୁହୂର୍ତ୍ତ ମଧ୍ୟରେ। କି ବନ୍ଧୁତା ସେ? ବନ୍ଧୁ ନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଏଇନା ଜଗତରେ ଏକମାତ୍ର ବନ୍ଧୁ ଭଗବାନ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଶ୍ରୀହୃଦଂ ସର୍ବଭୂତାନାଂ, with the only well-wishing friend of all living entities, who said this thing in Bhagavad Gita. ସେଇ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଆସିଲେ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ରୂପରେ। अद्भुत करुणामय अद्भुत वदान्य अद्भुत उदार्यमय विग्रह अतीत पावन प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सचिनंदन श्री श्री गौर हरि से कहले आमा बिना बंधु आर के আছে তোমার। से कहते मध्य से कथा जीव जागो जीव जागो गोरा चंद बोले जीव जागो गोरा चंद बोले कत निद्रा जाओ माया ईसा चिर कोले कत भजीव बोलिया ऐसे संसार भीतरे भजीव बोलिया ऐसे संसार भीतरे बोलिया रोहिले तुमी अविद्यार भरे बोलियार इले तुमी अविद्यार भरे তোমারে লইতে আমি আইন অবতার তোমার বন্ধু আরো এ আছে তোমার আমারি না বন্ধু আরো This is Mahaprabhu's call. Mahaprabhu is calling you. Why are you sleeping in the lap of Maya? How long will you sleep? How many lives? How many lives? Lots of lives. You have already slept, snoring. It's not breaking. Will you not awake? Such sleep. Mahanidra, death. Mahaprabhu's calling you. Get up! Get up! Get up! Arise! 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 Can't you hear? Such deep sleep. Mahaprabhu's call, don't enter into ears. Such deep sleep. Intoxicated. Mahaprabhu is so merciful. Arise, arise, awake, awake. How long will you sleep? In the lap of Maya, is it very nice lap? Thorny lap, it is thorny lap. Not lap of roses, Baba. Thorny lap. Come to the lap of Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu calling you, come to my lap. Uttama adhama kichu na bachilo jachiye dile kokolo. Uttama adhama kichu na bachilo jachiye dile kokolo. Ohi premananda emana gaurangi hrudaye dhariya bolo. Koi Koi premananda yamana gaurangi hrudaye dhariya bolo. Koi premananda yamana gaurangi hrudaye dhariya bolo. Bhaja gaurango kaha gaurango laha gaurangi hiro namore. Bhaja se hoy amaro prano re. Tama adhama kichu na bachilo jachiye dile kokol. Kahe premananda emana gaurangi hrudaye dhariya bolo. Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully compassionate, so wonderfully merciful, so wonderfully magnanimous. He never discriminates. One is most elevated or degraded. Uttama dham never discriminates. He calls you, come to my lap, come to my lap, come to my lap. Is ready to embrace you. Why are you not hearing the call of Mahaprabhu? Why are you sleeping in the thorny lap of Maya? So long, lots of lives. Who is your friend? Bajiba bolia se sansar bhitare bolia rahile tumi avidyar bhare. Why have you come to this world? Why? To eat store like whore and enjoy? Is this your goal of life? You have come here. There is no enjoyment here at all. In this material world, dukkha, full of miseries, sufferings, afflictions only. All are afflicted with three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Every moment, tapta jivana, every moment, you are just in a frying pan. What happiness you have here? Are you getting any happiness, any pleasure here? If there is no happiness, no pleasure, dukkha. Mahaprabhu offers you happiness, offers you pleasure, transcendental happiness and pleasure, constrained pleasure, unbroken, unbroken. He offers such happiness and pleasure. He offers his love for you. Come to my lap, come to my fold. Indiscriminately, Therefore he said, Bhajiva Bolia se sansar bhitare. Why have you come to this? In order to do bhajan only. In order to do bhajan, bhajan bina goti na. No other way is there. No other destination is there. But bhajan. You have come here to do bhajan. You have forgotten. Bhuliya rahile tumi avidya bhare. But you have forgotten it. Being covered up with the dense darkness of ignorance. Dense darkness of ignorance, you have forgotten it from time immemorial. But who is your real friend? Eternal friend. Well-wishing friend. He calls you. He calls you. তোমার লইতে আমি হইন অবতার, আমি বিনা বন্ধু আর কে আছে তোমার? For you, I descend here. I descend here for you. Is there any friend of yours but me? Tell me. Real friend, eternal friend, only well-wishing friend, Mahaprabhu. এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি হরি নাম মহামন্ত্র লেও তুমি মাগি Hari Namo Mahamantra. I have descended here with the medicine, unfailing medicine. Other medicine may fail, but this medicine will never fail. Amog Ausada, unfailing medicine to annihilate Maya. Annihilate your dense darkness of ignorance. Maya hoy undokar. Maya means darkness. Maya means dense darkness of ignorance. You are covered up with that dense darkness of ignorance. You don't know the medicine to annihilate it. I have brought that medicine for you. Mahaprabhu said. What is that medicine? Hari Nama Mahamantra. Leo tumi magi Hari Hari Namo Mahamantra Leo tumi magi Hari Namo Mahamantra Don't you want this medicine? Come forward. Take it. Hari Nama Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Bhakati Vinod Prabhu Charani Padya Bhakati Vinod Prabhu Charani Padya Sei Hari Nama Mantra Laila Magia Sei Hari Nama Mantra Bhakti Vinod Thakur first heard this call. He has opened his ear. You are not sleeping. You are all sleeping in the lap of Maya. Thorny lap of Maya. Is that lap? Is it very pleasing? It's not pinching you? Huh? Oh, pinching is very nice, very nice, very nice. You are compromising, huh? You are compromising, rascal. Huh? Bhaktivinoda Thakur first came forward. Yes, please give me, please give me. I want that medicine. Bhakti Vinoda Prabhu Charane Padya. Say Harinama Mantra Laila Bhagya. But you are not coming forward. They set up example for us. Mahajana set up example for us. Mahajana Jena Gata Sapantha. We must follow the footprints of Mahajana. They have shown us already path. No need of discovering, finding out any new path. A rascal does so. A rascal does so. No, already path is opened for you. Already path is set for you. The Mahajana has already set path for you. You just follow their footprints. No need of doing anything else. That is safest path. Safest path. No danger there. Any path you'll find out or conquer. That's the old dangerous path. You understand this. Those who are our only well-wishing friends, they have already shown us path, set path for us. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Re. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Re. Hari Namani ache gaur nitai re. Hari Namani Hari Namani ache gaur nitai re. Hari Namani ache Hari Namani ache gaur nitai re. Hari Namani ache gaur nitai ki jai. মোদের দুঃখ দেখে রে, মোদের দুঃখ দেখে রে, মোদের দুঃখ দেখে রে, মোদের দুঃখ দেখে রে, মোদের হরি নাম আনি আছে গৌর নিতাই রে। হরি নাম হরি নাম আনি আছে গৌর নিতাই রে। হরি নাম আনি হরি নাম বিনা দিবের অন্য ধন নাই রে। হরি নাম বিনা দিবের অন্য ধন নাই রে। হরি নামে শুদ্ধ হলো জগাই মালাই রে। হরি নামে শুদ্ধ হলো জগাই মালাই রে। হরি নামে বড় পাপী ছিল রে, বড় পাপী ছিল রে, বড় পাপী বড় পাপী ছিল রে, বড় পাপী ছিল রে, বড় পাপী হরি নামে শুদ্ধ হলো জগাই মাধাই রে। হরি নামে Oh, Gaur Nitai, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully compassionate for us. They brought this Harinam, Goloke Premadhana Harinam Sankirtana. This Harinam Sankirtana doesn't belong to this material world, not available here. The Goloke Premadhana is chanted in Goloka Vrindavana. Gopis are chanting under guidance of Radharani. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. The Gaur Nitai, so wonderfully compassionate for us, we suffering souls, most degraded souls, jivas, seeing the suffering, they become very, very compassionate. So they brought this unfailing medicine for us from that land, Golok Vrindavan. is Hare Harinam, Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Harinam Abhine Jive Ranya Dhananai. This is the most invaluable asset for us. What asset? What more asset? What more valuable asset? Or wealth you want? Dollars? $1 million? $100 million you want? Nonsense. All nonsense. This is the only asset. Most invaluable asset, Harinam. Harinam bine jiver anya dhana nahi re. Harinam bine jiver anya dhana nahi re. Harinam suddha elo jagai madhai re. Harinam suddha elo jagai madhai re. All materialistic people are all ignorant fools, running after this pound ceiling pence, the dollar cents. No asset at all. Most invaluable asset, only asset is Harinam. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. No other asset for you, no other invaluable asset for you. This is the only invaluable asset for you. Your compassionate friend, Gaur Nitai, have brought for you. Most sinful persons like Jagai Madhai, they all become purified only by chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. মিছে মায়া বদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে, মিছে মায়া বদ্ধ হয়ে জীবন কাটাই রে, মিছে মায়া। আমি আমার বলো রে, 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 আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে, আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে, আশা বসে আশার শেষ নাই রে, আশার শেষ নাই রে, আশার শেষ নাই রে, আশার শেষ নাই রে, আশা বসে ঘুরে ঘুরে আর কোথা যাই রে, আশা বসে unlimited material desires you have. Unlimited, no limit to it. You are dragged by those unlimited material desires. Where will you go? Where? There is no limit to it. Entrapped by Maya. Only putting into the whirlpool of Maya. This dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, you have been drowning. You are so careless. You are not conscious at all. Can't you understand? Can't you feel? Can't you realize that you have been drowning? You have been suffering. Such carelessness. Such life you are leading. Life of suffering. Life of pains. Life of affliction. Burning. Saying I and mine. Actually everything belongs to the Lord. Isavasyam idam sarvam. Everything belongs to Isa. Everything belongs to Supreme Lord Krishna. What is yours? Show me. Can you show me? Anything yours? Huh? Are you yours? Nonsense, rascal, fool! You have this foolishness. You have this rascaldom. You have this stupidity. Huh? Why such stupidity? Why such rascal? Why such foolishness? Give up this thing. Huh? Nothing mine, nothing ours, everything belongs to Krishna. Great criminal. Great criminal. What is Krishna's property? Saying mine. Great criminal. Such great crime you are committing. Huh? So this is befitting punishment for you to be in this prison house created by Maya. Yes. Criminal is put into prison. Don't you think of this thing? Huh? And not you conscious of it, such carelessness? You have this carelessness. Huh? Non-limited material desires, asar शेष नहीं. Where will you go? What is your destination? Huh? You have no destination. Gotihina. Gotihina, no destination. Huh? You cannot find the destination. You are blind. You are blind. How can you see the destination, find the destination? The Mahajanas have shown you the path, shown you the destination. Huh? Srila Prabhupada, raising two fingers saying, look at, that is destination. Oh! Otherwise, they should look at the destination. Destination is Mahaprabhu, destination is Krishna. Huh? No other destination. तो हरि बोले देव भाई आसार मुखे छाई रे हरि बोले देव भाई आसार मुखे छाई रे हरि बोल निराश तो सुखो रे निराश तो सुखो निराश तो सुखो रे निराश तो सुखो रे निराश तो सुखो निराश तो सुखो रे निराश तो भोग मुख्य वंशाधरी हरि नाम गाई रे भोग मुख्य वंशाधरी हरि नाम गाई रे भोग शुद्ध सत्य होए रे शुद्ध सत्य होए रे शुद्ध सत्य शुद्ध सत्य होए रे शुद्ध सत्य होए रे शुद्ध सत्य भोग मुख्य वंशाधरी हरि नाम गाई रे भोग मुख्य वंशाधरी You are desperate. Huh? You are disappointed. Nirasata sukha. Running after this material happiness, enjoyment. You are desperate, you are disappointed. Nirasata sukha. Now there is only a ray of hope comes. If you take to this Harinam, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bole Deo Bhai Asar Mukhe Saire. Chanting name of Lord Hari. Hari Hari Bol. Completely do away with this frustration, with this disappointment, hopelessness. There is now hope, that destination is there, yes. Bhoga mukhya vanchhatari harinam gaire. Give up your desire for material enjoyment, material liberation. Only take shelter of Harinam and chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Completely surrender unto Holy Name. Completely surrender unto Holy Name and chant. Every moment, all conditions. Ahar Sachinta Krishna Balaho Bodhane, Ki Sayane, Ki Bhodane, Ki Vajagare. Mahaprabhu's instruction. Day and night, 24 hours. Adore name of Krishna. Think of Krishna. Think of Krishna. All condition, waking condition, sleeping condition, even while taking food. Don't forget. Then all your sufferings will be finished. All your karmic reactions will be finished, destroyed. You'll get real pleasure, eternal pleasure, happiness. Unbroken, constraint. Asta visanna siddhasya Gita ghoresu vyadhisu vartamana sankirtya narayana sabdamekam vimukta dukkha sugino bhavanti. Persons who are perplexed and depressed in spirits, those who are sluggish, those who are awfully frightened, those who are attacked with virulent diseases, are all totally freed from all their afflictions, both physical and mental, and attain perfect happiness by uttering the word Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. What more you want? What more you want? Tell me. What more you want? Huh? This is not enough. Mukhya pathe jiva paye Krishna prema dhana. Niraparadhe naam loile paye prema dhana. The chief result of chanting Harinam is you get Krishna prema, get Krishna. But chanting is offenseless. You get Krishna prema, otherwise you get Krishna. Krishna means everything. Krishna is the object of love. Krishna is Supreme Personality of Godhead. Krishna is your life and soul. Krishna is everything. What more you want? Tell me. Very easy process. Mahaprabhu Gaur Nitai has brought. So, though it is unlimited, I have so many business to finish today, thereby finish my lecture here, and I request one and all, think it up very serious, deeply, take it up seriously, don't be careless, be conscious of it. And from this moment, take to this chanting Hare Krishna and completely surrender to Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. And all your sufferings, get Krishna, get real happiness and pleasure, and be happy. Thank you very much.